In this video, I'll be showing you how to clear your cache on your Google Chrome app. It's simple and easy. So what you're going to do is you just move to your settings. So on your Google Chrome, move to your settings, tap on the three dots, top right, and then let's move to our settings. So there are actually two different ways of doing this, right? So now let's move to privacy and security. Let's move to deleting our browsing data. And you can see cached images and files. That's the first option. So I select only the cached images and files and I tap on delete data to delete everything. Good. So that's it on how you delete your cache on your Google Chrome browser. Else you have to move to your mobile phone settings, do it manually. So I hop on my settings, scroll to the apps, and then I move to C section, which is Chrome. There's a manual way of doing that. You can see Chrome here. I launch it, and to move to your cache, you need to move to your storage, just like I showed you guys in my other video. And you can see there's the cache for the Chrome app itself. So you just tap on clear cache, not clear data. If you clear data, you're going to log out all your Google accounts if you don't know the password or if you don't remember the password. Clear data, you're going to log out every account, everything. So if you don't remember your password, you are doomed. So you just have to tap on clear cache to clear the cache and you're good to go. So that's the two different ways to clear your cache on your Google Chrome browser. If you are new here, you give me a like, subscribe to the channel. Peace.